In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to update the firmware for your HP Envy Inspire 17200 or the HP Envy Inspire 7900 printer series. During setup, if you had set the firmware update to be automatic, the printer will automatically update the firmware once there's a new firmware available. If you had set it to notify, you will get a prompt whenever there's new firmware updates available. For now, you can also do a check via the printer control panel for firmware updates. So let's zoom in on the control panel. So you can see that the printer is already connected to the network, as the wireless LED is solid blue. To check for firmware updates, go to Settings. Scroll until you see Printer Maintenance. Scroll and select Update the printer. And you can see that our printer update options is Notify. So let's check now. There's a new firmware update available. So let's select Yes to update the firmware or No to decline. We'll select Yes. Let's install. The most current printer update has been installed. So this is how you update the firmware for your HP Envy Inspire printers.